ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Muchangwa pens a letter accusing Information Minister Jennifer Muswere of allowing the ZBC and the Herald to publish results of the ZANU-PF Women's League provincial elections in Manicaland before the party has ratified and announced them. So Christopher Muchangwa read a statement as saying, spreading party news without recourse to due process. The above issue refers, it has come to the department's attention that you allowed the announcing of Women's League election results and provincial elections held in Manicaland on the ZBC at PM News of the 6th of April 2025 as well as in the Herald of the 7th April 2025. This was before the party had ratified the elections and formally announced them. This announcement was irregular and intended to preempt the due electoral provisions and procedures of the party. The other motive was to upend a standard internal consultations with the party leadership in accordance with the party constitution and tenets. Deriving out of all this announcement is thus deemed to be of no consequence. The correct and proper position, once finalized, will be announced by this department as the rightful party mouthpiece in due course. Assigned Christopher Muchangwa. So they are actually fighting the Information Minister Jennifer Muswere, saying, why did the state media, ZBC and Herald, announced the elections results that were held in Manicaland? So they are saying, it should be announced, should be done by the department of Christopher Muchangwa, the communication department, not the Minister of Information, basically.